Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Boohoo Mixed Print Fashion Mask 3 pack. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this clear plastic packet are 3 Boohoo Mixed Print Fashion Face Masks. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet by peeling open the flap that's keeping it closed. And we can set that packet to the side and spreading the 3 face masks apart to give you a nice good look at all 3 face masks from the 3 pack. So you can see 2 of which are black and 1 with a white and black checker design. Let's take a close-up look at the middle one first, the black, and I'm just going to set the other 2 on opposite sides of each other on the left and right hand side of the frame. So taking a look at this face mask, it is a single ply, well actually it is a double ply face mask. I can feel that there is a front or outer and inner side to it, and giving you a look at that product label as well. And right there is the face mask from the inside and the exterior side of the face mask right there. And it does have 2 very elastic or stretchy ear loops or straps. And let's take a closer up look at the face mask. So this one of course does have a solid black design along with the other one as well. So there appears to be only 2 styles here with a solid black and a black and white checkered design. So this is the solid black one, and taking a look at the details and stitching of the face mask. It does have a pretty sheer design, as you can almost make my fingers out through the fabric or textile. And just giving you a close-up look to the fabric right there. And you can see that it does have a very, very fine weave. And just rubbing the outer and inner layers together. And taking a look at the elastic ear loop. So it is very elastic, as you can see, pulling and stretching, and it does stay pretty secure. And there's no rips or any sign of give with the stitching. Okay, so that's one of the 3 fashion face masks from the 3 pack of Boohoo Mixed Print Fashion Face Masks. Let's take a look at the white and black checkered one. So setting that face mask to the left, and as you can see right there, it does have a very eye-catching black and white, or actually it looks more of a dark navy or dark blue and white checkered design with a black border and ear strap. So giving you a further out look right there. And in terms of size, just going to set that down and place the other one just above of it. Or maybe even stack them on top of each other so they have the same sizing, that first one that we saw, on top of the navy and white checkered face mask. So now taking a look up close at this face mask and stretching the ear loops. So nice and stretchy as well, as you can see. And they do have a a reasonably thick design, and taking a look at the inner and outer sides of the face mask. So inner side does have the black lining, and once again we see that inner product label there with the Boohoo care label and instructions. So you can see that it is 100% viscose, which is the material of this face mask. So outside and on the inside of the face mask. And once again, just rubbing the outer and inner layers together. 2 layers or 2-ply outside and the inner side. And now taking a close-up look to the check pattern. So it does have a very fine and flat texture or weave pattern to this fabric. Okay, and now setting that down and taking a look at the final or third face mask from the Boohoo mixed print fashion face masks 3-pack. So as we can see, these two are identical in design with a full black color. So once the camcorder can focus right there, as you can see right there, and sizing as well. So it is sized the same right there for all 3 face masks. So spreading them just vertically across the screen, you can see all 3 face masks, 2 being a full black and 1 being a dark navy and white checkered pattern with a black border. Okay, so right there, all 3 face masks. And okay, just setting them to the side and taking a quick look at this black one, perhaps in a different perspective or view. So maybe slightly further out this time around, since we've already seen that first black one, which is identical in design. So right here, giving you some idea of the size. So it's a very lightweight fabric. And if we look at the care label, it should be 100% viscose as well. Right there, and it sure is with the 1 size label as well. So care label sticker can be removed and should be removed before use. And now let's go ahead and try it on. So I'm going to put it on my face. So it does have a nice comfortable fitment. So I have it worn on my face right now, covering my nose and my mouth and speaking through it quite comfortably and quite clearly. Obviously the outer and inner layers are pretty thin, so you can hear me speak pretty clearly with no impedance at all. And in terms of breathability, very light and easy to breathe through the material. So those are the 3 face masks from the Boohoo mixed print face mask 3-pack. So let's just reorganize them and maybe even set one up that way so you can see the inside and outside of the face masks. So taking a closer up look, we can see that there is a top edge to the face mask, more evident in this design. As you can see, it does have a sharper top for the nose and a more rounded bottom for the lower jawline. So that's the Boohoo mixed print fashion mask 3-pack. Thanks for watching and happy covering.